Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Deel with Instant Payouts workflow easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the withdrawal process from Deel with Instant Payouts, log in to your Deel account. Navigate to the Payouts section on the dashboard. Select the withdraw option from the available choices. You will see different payout options, including Instant Payouts. Click on Instant Payouts to proceed. Next, choose the payment method you wish to use for the withdrawal. Ensure that you have completed the necessary verification steps for the chosen payout method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review the fees associated with the Instant Payouts option. Confirm that all details are accurate before proceeding. Click the Withdraw button to initiate the process. A confirmation window may appear asking you to verify your withdrawal request. Follow the prompts to confirm your withdrawal. After confirming, you will receive a notification regarding the status of your payout. Check your selected payment method for the funds to be transferred. If there are any issues, consult Deel support for assistance. That's all you need to know for withdrawing from Deel using the Instant Payouts workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.